children, welcome to Rainbow Story Time. Today we are reading a story, Where is Baby's Belly Button by Karen Katz. Where are baby's eyes? Under her hat. Where is baby's mouth? Behind the cup. Where is baby's belly button? Under her shirt. Where are baby's feet? Behind the cat. Where are baby's hands? Behind the bubbles. Where is baby? There he is.